Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the synthetic rating curves and the importance to walk a duck. So this story starts with a duck, which name is Manning. He's a very friendly duck, and he loves to play outside, even close to nearby to the banks of the rivers. So in a beautiful day, we look for the weather forecast. And we find that the temperature, the humidity, the wind, it's perfect to go outside. But what are the conditions of the river? So I do what anyone in my position would do. It's to check hydrological forecasting. And there is a model called Hydrotel that can provide information about the flows. So I can find that in this segment of the river close to my house, I can find some different flows, like 10 cubic meters, 20 cubic meters, or 40 cubic meters. So with that information, I can know if it's safety or not to walk a dog. There's something missing. It's the height of the water. So in hydrological modeling, like Hydrotel, from numerical digital elevation model and a string network, we can obtain the flows by the equation of Manning. But to find the height of the water, we can use the model HAND. It means height above the nearest drainage. So it's basically a matrix that provides information about the amount of water, necessary amount of water to inundate a pixel, or to know if a pixel is flooded or not. So now that we have the height of water, we come back to the river and we see that Hydrotel provides the information of flows. HAND method provides the information of height. With these two sources of data, we can build something called synthetic rating curve. With this synthetic rating curve, we can verify if actually this location is going to be flooded or not. After verifying that the flooding of rivers, we can provide maps of floodplains and to know the extent of flooding. So after verifying that the place close to my house is not going to be flooded, I can tell Manning that we are going to have a walk today. Thank you so much.